This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookie dough from scratch. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. For a typical batch, measure out 2 1/4 cups of flour. Then, combine 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a separate bowl. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly to ensure even distribution. This step is crucial for the cookies to rise properly and have a consistent texture. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. Start with 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter, ensuring it's softened to room temperature. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3/4 cup of granulated sugar with 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Now, using an electric mixer, cream the butter and sugars together until the mixture becomes light, fluffy, and pale in color. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, creating air pockets for tender cookies. Now it's time to incorporate the eggs and vanilla. Crack 2 large eggs into the creamed butter and sugar mixture, adding them one at a time. Be sure to mix well after each egg to fully incorporate it. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This enhances the overall flavor profile significantly. Finally, gradually add your whisked dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. For the grand finale, gently fold in 1 1/2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips or any other desired mix-ins, like nuts or sprinkles. Mix just until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. For optimal flavor and texture, cover the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading during baking. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Enjoy your delicious homemade cookie dough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.